परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं विश्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदे साक्षिभूतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुत्वं नमामि। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाचलचलाकया चक्षुरुं मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
धन्यवाद। मैम प्रेयर सुनाई दे रहा था?
यस मैम, सुनाई दिया मैम।
Someone is talking.
नो मैम, prayer was clear मैम।
Okay. Good morning all of you. Jai Gurudev. So today we are going to have a revision practice test on noun lesson. Last 15 minutes we will post the link and we will solve the noun test. So and now we have some reading and revision practice. Reading practice, and if you have any doubts we will clarify that. First of all, I want to ask, is there any doubt in blueprint and portion in Hindi? If you have doubt, kindly ask blueprint and portion, because next week you have exam assessment. Yes? Is there any doubt? Blueprint, portion. We'll explain once. If you have any doubt, just ask. Ma'am, may I audible clearly?
Yes ma'am, you're audible ma'am.
Yes, I'm reading blueprint and portion. Vidyalay Hindi Bodhini is your book name. शब्द रचना, फूल, तरकारी, चिड़िया, घरेलू चीजें. Flower, vegetables, birds and household items, names which we have already learned. You have to refer the classwork notes for these all topics. Someone has unmuted, ma'am, kindly check.
Yeah ma'am, okay ma'am.
Kavita sabji khao. We have already learned Kavita sabji khao. That is for oral. There is no question on that poem in the exam. Next, Vyakaran Sangya. Sangya means noun. We have learned the grammar, and for that you have to refer the classwork notes. Yes, just refer the classwork notes. You have to circle the correct noun words, and you have to write two names of what we are going to ask. Next, Pariyojana. Pariyojana means project. Project on vegetable. Yesterday we have posted the message that you have to draw and color vegetable basket with lots of vegetable, and you have to give the Hindi names for each vegetable what you have drawn in the basket. That project you have to do in your project note. Now we will see for the blueprint. The first, Shabdartha likhiye, English meaning. So refer the classwork notes of all the school, tarkari, flowers, vegetables, birds, household items, all the meanings we have already learned. So we will ask the Hindi word and you have to write the correct English spelling for that word. For example, if I'm asking Kamal, you have to write lotus. Correct English spelling. Next, चित्र देखकर नाम लिखिए. Look at the picture and write the name. This also we have done in our all classwork notes. We have given some pictures and you have to identify the pictures and you have to write the name. Yes, if there is a picture, suppose if there is a picture of sunflower, you have to write Surajmukhi. Yes, so this is for चित्र देखकर नाम लिखिए. The third one, listen carefully now. दिए गए वाक्यों में से संज्ञा शब्दों को गोला लगाइए. Circle the noun words. Yes, so we will give a sentence and you have to identify the noun words. Now here you are writing the answers in your one note. Yes, so for that you can directly write the noun words which you have identified. Otherwise you just write the sentence and circle the noun words. For example, Ganesh अच्छा लड़का है. So Ganesh is a name of boy. So circle the Ganesh. So what you have to do, you have to write the complete sentence Ganesh अच्छा लड़का है and then circle Ganesh. Otherwise, you directly write the answers Ganesh. Next, दो दो शब्द लिखिए. Write two names. दो दो शब्द लिखिए. Write two names. In that we can ask व्यक्तियों के नाम, वस्तुओं के नाम, स्थानों के नाम, फलों के नाम, फूलों के नाम. That's what we have already learned in a noun lesson. Yes, व्यक्ति means what? Person. If there is a व्यक्तियों के नाम, two person names you have to write. स्थानों के नाम, two places name you have to guess and write. वस्तुओं के नाम, two things names you have to search and write. Yes, like that we have given the questions. And the last, pariyojana means project. We have already given you project. You have to attach that project sheet, otherwise you will miss your 3 marks. Clear, all of you? I hope there will be no doubts and portion. Yes? Clear? Can you give answers in chat box? And repeat one more time. PDF is not visible. What?
No, ma'am, it's clear, ma'am. It is visible.
No. I think PDF is not visible in your Telegram group. In which section is this? Okay, I will ask class teacher to post it again. Can you teach noun another time, ma'am? Noun alone classwork notes, can you revise? Okay. I will revise classwork notes of noun right now. Not a classwork notes, I will revise the classwork notes in whiteboard so you can understand better. The PDF is not clear in the reference. Okay. In Telegram. Okay, there are some parents are saying in Telegram. I will ask your class teacher to post alone Hindi blueprint again in the Telegram. So it will be clear for you. Maybe some font changes, I will ask your teacher. Okay, now we are going to do the revision of classwork notes. Noun. Noun means संज्ञा. Noun को हिंदी में कहते हैं संज्ञा. Now there are two things in a classwork notes. Once we will give the sentence and you have voice is low. Hello, it's clear now. My voice is low, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's clear, ma'am. It's not clear.
Okay.
Don't
Dear,
hear, yes.
kindly check your device sound. Maybe that is low. Okay, there are two things. There are two things in a noun. The first one, the first sentence, we have to guess the noun. And the second Roman, there is a two names you have to write. Okay, so I want to clear with the second Roman. दो नाम लिखिए. दो नाम लिखिए. This is the heading. Yes, दो नाम लिखिए. This is the heading. That means two names you have to write. Who has shared the screen?
Ma'am, screen ma'am.
Brinda, you have touched the screen, dear. Please, dear, don't touch the screen. Okay. So दो नाम लिखिए. First, I am writing स्थान. स्थान. स्थान means we have already learned place. So if there is sthan, the word in your question paper, you have to write two places there. So you can write any two place name. If you want to write Chennai, you can write Chennai, Mumbai, Agra, Bharat, India. You can write. Yes, so I will write four names. You just remember any two names if there is a question. So let's start with our country name, Bharat. That is also place name. Yes, you can write Mumbai. You can write Delhi. Delhi. And simple, you can write Agra. You can write Pune. Very simple names you can write. In complete in world, there are many places. So whatever place, any two names you can write. Sthana. Sthana means place. Sthana means place. Yes. Now, what we can say for Vastu? Vastu means what in English? Anyone remember Vastu? You have searched so many in your home. You have I gave the activity to search something in your cupboard. Study. Things. Yes. Vastu means what? Someone has unmuted, ma'am. Kindly check.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Harshika, I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Harshika.
Muted, ma'am.
Yeah. So, Sthana means what? Place. Sthan means place. Now, Vastu. Vastu means what? Things names. Yes. So you can write any things. Household items also come into the Vastu only. Mej, kursi, chammach, gamla. You can write kitab, kalam. Many things are things in our home. Just look, search in your home. You can write those things names. Ojasvi. Why, dears, you are touching the screen? Yes, everyone is here to learn, to revise the noun lesson. Why are you disturbing the class? Now, if someone has started sharing, I will make them wait to lobby. Just fold your hands and look at the screen. If you want to note down, you can note down. Vastu. Vastu means thing. The first I can write kitab. Next, kalam. Anything. If you want to write mej, kursi, you can add mej. You can add gamla. Gamla means flower pot. You can add kursi. Anything. Any two things names you have to write if there is a question of vastu. Yes, vastu means things. Now just tell me sthan means what? Sthan. Pencil, we say pencil only. Pencil. No half and so complete. Pencil. Yes. Sthan means what? Everyone just tell me in the chat box. Sthan means place. Yes. Sthan means place. Vastu means things. Vastu means things. Now, the third one. शरीर शरीर के अंग means body parts. You can write हाथ, hand. You can write कान, ears. Very simple names in body parts. गला, neck. You can write नाक means nose. You can write बाल means hair. So many simple words. आपकी मात्रा body parts. हाथ means what? Hand. कान means ear. Gala means neck. Naak means nose. Bal means hair. Yes. So these all are body parts you can write, or you can write पेट, पैर, उंगलियां, चेहरा, many things. शरीर के अंग means body parts. Name of the body parts. Yes. So now again, what is the meaning of sthan? Sthan means what in English? Sthan means what in English? Place. Very good. Things means what in English? Things. Sorry, things means what in Hindi? Things means what in Hindi? Vastu. Yes. And body parts we say sharir ke anga. Sharir ke anga means body parts. Haath, kaan, gala, naak, baal, etc. Now I'm changing the heading here. I'm writing व्यक्तियों के नाम. व्यक्तियों के नाम. व्यक्ति means what? व्यक्ति means what? Person. Yes. So you can write your name, your friend's name, family name, anything. Now I'm writing my name. I will write Mahatma Gandhi. I will write my friend's name, my family members' names. So you can write anything. Cheta. I will write Rahul. Anything. You can write anything. You can write your name. So these are व्यक्तियों के नाम. व्यक्ति means what? Person. Ganesh. Yes, Ganesh. Dharini, Monica, Niralya, Priya, Preeti, Prasad, Praveen, anything. All the names comes under person. व्यक्तियों के नाम. Yes. So sthan means place. Vastu means things. Sharir ke anga means body parts. And vyakti means person. Now, here we will write the heading. Phal. Phal means what? Anyone knows phal means what? Phalon ke naam. Yes, fruits name. Phal means what? Fruits. So, you can write many fruits names. You can write kela. You can write seb. I have given 2 examples in classwork notes. Yes. You can write papita, anar. Yes, the meaning. Aam means mango. Kela means banana. Seb means apple. Papita means papaya. And anar means pomegranate. There is no place to write. Anar means pomegranate. So you can write any two names if there is a question. Yes? Aam, kela, seb, papita, pomegranate. There's no place for me. Okay. Pomegranate. Okay. So this is fal. So sthan means place. Vastu means things. Sharir ke anga means body parts. Fal means fruit. Vyaktiyon ke naam means person name. Now the next one. Next one. Sabji. Sabji means you all know. We have learned. Sabji means sabji or tarkari. सब्जी और तरकारियों के नाम मीन्स वेजिटेबल. So you can write many names. We have learned many names. Just tell me. Mooli, yes, mooli means radish. We can learn tomato. You can write tomato. We have learned aloo. You can write aloo. Then butter. In your book itself, the name gobi. So you can write vegetables names. Yes, like this. We have already learned bangan, pyaj, mooli, tomato, aloo, matar, gobi. So many vegetables names we have learned. So what we are writing now, what I'm writing on the whiteboard, all person names, place names, things names, fruits name, vegetables name, body parts names. These names, if it is in the sentence, automatically you can identify the noun words. Yes? Now, next. I'm writing here. फूलों के नाम. फूलों के means what? फूलों के नाम means which names we have to write? Flowers name, what we have already learned. Yes? So you can tell me the flowers names in Hindi. You have already learned. Kamal, Gulab. Yes, Kamal means lotus, Gulab means rose, Surajmukhi. Next, Chameli, Champa. We have learned, yes, so many flowers names. Kamal, Gulab, Surajmukhi, Chameli, Champa. So there is फूलों के नाम means you have to write the flower names. Yes. Next. Hav. Havon के नाम. Havon के नाम means what? How means what? Feelings or emotions. Yes. Feelings, emotions, or you can say the expressions. Have. Feelings. So we can write gussa. Gussa. Gussa means? Gussa means anger. Khush. Khush hona means happy. Udas. Udas means sad. Yar means love. So these kind of feelings are भावों के नाम. भावना. भावना means feelings, emotions. गुस्सा, खुश, उदास, प्यार. Okay? Rona, yes. Udas, Rona means to cry. So cry when we are crying, when we are very sad, yes. So crying is a verb. रो रहा है, रो रही है. Cry means a verb, but when we cry, when we sad, उदास हो रही है. Yes. गुस्सा, खुश, happy, उदास, प्यार. So these are भावों के नाम. Which names? भाव. So this is about the names what we have learned now, that all are noun. Now I'm writing some sentences. More सुंदर है. More सुंदर है. What is the noun here? Something, some name is here, yes? Some name is here in the sentence. More. So, in question paper, if there is this question, in answer key, you have to write the complete sentence and circle the noun. Circle the noun. Important that you have to circle the noun. Otherwise, directly you can write the noun answer. If you have not circled, then there will be no answer, yes? Otherwise, write directly answer. Like that, we have to solve the noun. Clear all of you now? Yes, clear? About noun? Yes. Now we are going to solve the test. Sadhana ma'am, paste करेंगे link.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now we are going to paste the link in chat box. So open that link, write your name with initial, grade, section. All the internal tests we are recording as a marks. So please don't miss any test. All the online tests are compulsory for all the children. Supavarshini, what are you sharing? Solve the test. Yes. So open the link. Open the link. And write your name with initial properly. I'm pasting the link in your Telegram group also. So if it is not opening from here, you have to open Telegram. Okay, I'm opening that link now and I'm reading the first question. मैम चैट बॉक्स में कुछ है तो बताइए मुझे.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
दिए गए वाक्यों में संज्ञा शब्द पहचानिए. Identify the noun words from given sentence. The first one, काग काला है. Crow is black. So you have to identify the noun words. There are two options. In exam, there will be no option. So read the sentence carefully and give the answer. काग काला है. So what noun comes in that particular sentence, you have to make sure and click that correct noun. In option, there are two nouns, but Observe the noun which is in the sentence. Yes, read the sentence. Second, मेरे पास 2 किताबें हैं. मेरे पास 2 किताबें हैं.
सुप्रीता मैम.
Yes.
हाँ, द वॉइस अभी सुनाई नहीं दिया. ओके मैम.
अच्छा. So I have 2 books. You have to uh, choose the option of correct noun. Third one, मोर बहुत सुंदर होता है. Peacock is very beautiful. You have to choose the correct noun from the sentence. The fourth one, पायल गा रही है. पायल is singing. Payal is singing. So what is the name? You have to choose the noun correctly. The fifth one, राहुल बहुत चतुर है. राहुल बहुत चतुर है. Rahul is very clever. Correct. Correct. Select the correct noun. Next, कोयल मीठा गाती है. कोयल मीठा गाती है. The seventh one, मैं भारत में रहता हूँ. मैं भारत में रहता हूँ. गाय हमें दूध देती है. Next, ninth one, गीता खेल रही है. गीता is playing. The tenth one, तारा चमक रहा है. तारा चमक रहा है. The stars are shining. Next, कुर्सी में हम बैठते हैं. Nishantini, to mute yourself. Someone has unmuted. Ma'am, देखिए.
Yes, ma'am. Muted, ma'am. Muted, ma'am.
Next, ललिता पाठ पढ़ रही है. Lalitha is reading a lesson. दीपिका नाच रही है. Becca is dancing. So you have to select the noun. चम्मच से हम खाते हैं. We are eating by spoon. 15th one, पंखे से हमें हवा मिलती है. लड़का खेल रहा है. The boy is playing. आम रसीला है, मैंगो इज जूसी। सोनिया सो रही है, 18th one, सोनिया इज स्लीपिंग। 19th one, कुत्ता पालतू होता है, डॉग इज a domestic animal। मोर नाचता है, fox dances। So these all are sentences and you have to identify the noun. Yes? And after that, what we have just now, the revision, सही संज्ञा शब्दों को पहचानिए। So we have given the heading and you have to select the two nouns. दो नाम लिखिए। Yes? संज्ञा के दो नाम पहचानिए। So the first one is व्यक्तियों के नाम, person name। The second one वस्तुओं के नाम, things name। The third one पशुओं के नाम, animal name। जानवर means also animal, पशु means also animal। Next पक्षियों के नाम, birds names। चिड़िया means also bird, पक्षी means also bird। फलों के नाम, fruits name। Sixth one सब्जियों के नाम, vegetables name। Seventh one भावों के नाम, feelings name। Eighth one शरीर के अंगों के नाम, body parts name। Ninth one खाने की चीजें means food items। The 10th one स्थानों के नाम, place name। So today by evening I will post one worksheet, homework worksheet in MBMM app। Yes, so that worksheet is all on the noun, these two names। All that worksheet I will write the English meanings also there। स्थान, वस्तु, भाव, फल, सब्जी, that everything I will write in bracket English meanings also। So everyone has to solve that worksheet, then it will be pakka for you for the assessment. Two names, write the two names। Ninth question for खाने की चीजें। 29th question खाने की चीजें means food items names। Food item। I can get so many marks already. Very good. Good children. You have scored very nicely। If you have any doubt, you can ask now। Anyone? If you have doubts, unmute yourself and ask. If you have doubts, blueprint or noun or any other lesson. Oh, fine. So for assessment, you have to refer classwork notes, all the classwork notes, and you have to do that project what we have posted yesterday. Yes. Do that project and attach that project sheet to your answer key sheet when you are uploading the paper in uploading the answer key in the Google Classroom. One PDF, make a one PDF, single PDF, don't upload some separate pages. Okay, very good. Many of you have completed already. Yes. Finish, Shayan, 2E. Test finished. Put your marks in chat box once you finish. Yeah, ma'am.
That means what?
What?
Fruits are follow.
फल means fruit. फलों के नाम, fruits name. फल means fruit. फलों के नाम means fruits names. Yes, I will ask your teacher to put. Blueprint and portion. I will ask teacher to post again. Yes, Shayan. Yes, Shayan.
Yes, ma'am, I am 10 out of 10.
It's 30 out of 30, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, fine. Good. Very good. Yes. Everyone post your marks in chat box and you have to submit today itself. Yes. We have already posted in your Telegram group also. So if you have not completed now, complete by today itself and submit it. Refer all the classwork notes for the assessment. So we have 2 more minutes. Everyone on your video and show me your classwork notes. On your video and show me your classwork notes. Last time, those who have showed classwork notes, we have all the names. On your video, Aryan A. Come near to camera. Okay, good. Yes, Dharini, I have seen your last time. You have noted everything. I can see many of you are posting the marks in the chat box. Very nice. Super. Keep it up and do the practice. All the best for your exams. It's 9 o'clock. Class is going to end. Thank you. Jai Gurudev. Dhanwad. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Jai Gurudev. Thank you, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Happy morning, ma'am.